In this video, we'll show you how to transfer notes from one Android phone to another. So the easiest way to transfer notes between two Android phones is to simply sync all of your notes to the cloud and then use the same account to restore the notes on the second device. So if you are using Google Keep, for instance, simply open it. Now you need to tap on the profile icon at the top and then check the account that you are using. So simply note down the Google account that you are using here. Now on your second phone, download the Google Keep app and then log in with the same account. Once you do, all your notes will appear on the second device as well. You can then log out from your old phone if you want. Similarly, if you are using Samsung Notes, you can simply open the Samsung Notes settings menu. Now turn on this sync with Samsung Cloud option and then tap on the sync now option. Now simply wait for your notes to be synced. Once you see the current date and time, download the Samsung Notes on your new phone and then log in with the same Samsung account that you are using on the old device. Once you do, all your notes will appear there as well. Similarly, you can repeat the same process for OneNote, Evernote or virtually any note-taking app. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.